There's an opportunity to make a bomb
Yeah.
in that period, whether you're a consumer or whether you're a retailer.
Yeah. All the experts that I've spoken to in the last 2 weeks indicate that the interest rate is coming down. September is the due date for the first 0.25 point reduction, according to all the experts that I've spoken to. And it's multiple banks and multiple divisions in banks, so home, vehicle, and other experts. So that's good. How do you think will that affect consumer confidence, first of all, high level in the government, in the new coalition government, all these new nice things that they keep selling us? And we should be buying because we are in that environment now. And do you think that makes a small difference in people's lives? Or do you think, considering that 0.25 will affect your bond, your credit card, everything else, does that stimulate the consumer confidence in going into a mindset and a mentality of, cool, it's time to buy cars now? What is your opinion?
So monetary policy committee decisions are usually late.
Okay.
So when you look at a monetary policy committee decision to either increase or decrease interest rates, it's usually as a reaction to other metrics.
Okay.
So inflation starts rising.
Right.
So then the reaction by the MPC is to increase interest rates to curb spending.
Yeah.
So if we curb spending, inflation comes down. Okay. The thing about our inflation in the country, though, is it's been between 3 and 6% for a very long time.
Yes.
Okay. So do we have an inflation problem in the country? I don't know. So any interest rate reduction in a non-increasing inflationary environment will have a huge impact positively on the consumer, because if prices aren't rising and there's an interest rate reduction, effectively the cost to that consumer comes down.
Yes.
Whereas if you've got rising inflation and you've got a reduction in interest rate, which is counterintuitive, the one cancels each other out effectively, because inflation will cancel out the savings you get on the finance.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we don't have a high inflationary environment. We've got a flat inflationary environment. It's not low at 5.5%
Yeah.
but it's also not high. So I think South Africa, by and large, is not bad when it comes to finance. We get our decisions right. I mean, we almost missed the 2008 financial crisis.
Yeah.
Because our monetary policy committee, I think, is not too bad. I think they're one of the better ones.
I agree. And according to the experts that I've spoken to, and according to Business News and most of the leading news providers, the prediction is that by mid-2025, the interest rate should go back to just post-COVID. So we're looking at under 9 for prime, or just over
That is
9.
brilliant. In this inflationary environment.
If we can get it
brilliant.
there, amazing.
I think that will stimulate the automotive industry more than we can imagine, because at the moment, as you know, car prices are, or should I say, retail inflation on used cars has come down.
Yeah.
Which means that realistically, used car prices are coming down. There's downward pressure on used car prices over the last probably 6 to 8 months. So as prices come down, if interest rates come down at the same time, there will be a period of time, like a window, where lots of stimulation will happen until prices start rising again because of demand.
Yeah. I can't wait.
There's an opportunity to make a bomb in that period, whether you're a consumer or whether you're a retailer.
Yeah.
You just got to watch that interest rate, watch used car prices, and you can trade yourself into becoming rich.
Yeah, 100%. And from a consumer point of view, you will be able to buy a vehicle that's potentially not attainable right now because prices are high, because the demand is there, and as the interest rate starts falling down, demand also falls down. That window of opportunity, you'll end up being in a cool situation where you can pay the same installment for your 3 Series onto a 5 Series by trading up. I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Our database better get ready.